Hello, good morning everyone. As you can see, G-Wagon G-Class G63 2015 model upgrade 2024. Complete interior with chair, with dashboard, door panel, everything. As you can see, the gear is done now, the gear is here now. So we need to put gear off. As you can see, we need to move the gear off with steering wheel complete. As you can see, complete dashboard. As you can see, this for sensor, all flag for sensor, and for kilometer,
indicator,
for indicator,
AC,
is for AC,
is air control sensor,
air control sensor,
FM,
ambient,
FM,
ambient,
ambient,
LED light.
LED, DVD,
For DVD, it's the old. This all old flag. Okay. It's for AC panel. AC panel, the old one. As you can see. This all. It's for gearbox wire. The gearbox cable is the old one. Is this? So when you open this all, when you remove the old dashboard, this should be here. Should be in the car. You need to remove. It's the gear cable, gear flag. So now we need to remove this gear from here. We need to move off with steering wheel. We need to connect with steering wheel. So as you can see, the complete they change already. So let me start. When I'm fixing, let me show you all video one by one. Let me explain to you. So please watch video and subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone. As you can see now, the door panel, this is the old door. So now we need to fix the door panel also. So first of all, should be fixed this bracket, half in the interior kit included. So when you fix this bracket,
first this one fixing.
first need to remove this one. This is the old one. First need to remove from here. So need to cut. Then you can fix this new bracket with clip, everything. As you can see, the clip, everything. Okay. The second one this, and the third one this bracket. Okay. This bracket also should be fixed first. This half in the interior kit. This is the old flag, old cable, old. So you need to fix here. Just you can put cable tie. You can use cable tie. It's simple. Even the back side door also, there is some bracket. As you can see, need to remove the old one. Need to catch hair from here, so you can fix the new one. Start from here. This is the second bracket. Guys, the important things now, gearbox, how it's work automatic now. Let me show you, let me explain to you in this video. This is the gearbox. Now when you put bolt complete, you should be put bolt first of all when you tie this. So after this, the old handbrake cable, so you can fix easy here. Okay, so make it tight. Then let me show you. Then you fix this cable coming included with the gearbox coming. Okay, as you can see, the cam hose complete box it look like this. Should be check one by one flag first. When you start from here, you should be bring here from the new handbrakes with which one automatic, so you should be bring this cable all you can bring from here, and you can fix easy here. There is half plug, and you can fix this flag. Okay, this 2-3 plugs you can use it here. You can fix here easy. So when you fix, inshallah, 100% it will be work. Okay. The most important things, the push start. Many people asking how to fix push start because old model is key. It was key. Now they put push start, engine start, direct. How it's work? Let me explain to you. This is the all new cable which have in the interior kit. Okay. So this is the key box, push start box. You should be removed from the old key start from here. That flag, which one working in this, which one old one working, you can join with this. And this box here. And then you bring from here and you should be fix these things. So when you make it this box, so should be put this double type 3M. So then you join there and you can keep, you can touch there. Yes. Just put it here. It's easy. See, this is the cable. For the door LED, left front door. This is the left front door, as you can see. Left front door. There is writing. There is half sticker. You should be check one by one first. Then you can fix yourself. See. You need to move all one by one. See, as you can see. This for the front left door, and that one for the rear left door.